Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to build animated UI components with Google Gemini in just a few simple steps. Head to gemini.google.com and start a new chat. Then ask it to build a self-contained HTML file with 3 animated components on a dark background, a button with a hover fill, a lifting card, and a toggle switch. Gemini generates the code in a block above the prompt box. Now ask it to refine the animations. For this example, I'm requesting a slower card lift, a soft glow on hover, and a color change on the toggle as it slides, and I'm asking for the complete updated file in one code block. The code block updates with the revised CSS transitions and keyframes. Next, request an additional component to add to the same file. In this example, I'm asking for an animated loading skeleton with a shimmer effect matching the dark theme, and again requesting the full file in one code block. Gemini returns the complete HTML file with all 4 components included. Click the copy icon at the top right of the code block to grab the entire file. The code updates one final time as Gemini finishes writing out the skeleton styles and HTML structure. You'll see a copied to clipboard notification confirming the code is ready to save. From here you can paste it into a text editor, save it as an HTML file, and open it in any browser to see your animated components live. If the code block looks incomplete or cuts off partway through, scroll down inside it. Gemini often collapses long code to fit the viewport, and you need to see the full output before copying. When you save the file, make sure you set the file type to All Files in the Save dialog and give it an HTML extension. Otherwise, your text editor will save it as plain text and it won't run in a browser. You can keep iterating on the same chat by asking for tweaks to timing, colors, or additional components. And each time Gemini will give you back the complete updated file, so you never have to manually merge code. The shimmer effect on the skeleton uses a CSS gradient animation that sweeps from left to right. If it feels too fast or too slow, ask Gemini to adjust the animation duration, and it'll regenerate the whole file with the new timing. And that's how to build animated UI components with Gemini. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.